typically in my classroom, I use these serrated kidneys as a scoring device. You can use a potter's needle, but that's very slow. This is a really, really excellent tool. But now that I'm having to make at-home ceramic kits, I'm going to try to come up with this. So, but first, let me show you how this works. This is the fastest way to score and slip. And what's even faster is if you stick this in the slip, you can score and slip at the same time, right? And you can take this, just dip it right in the slip, score and slip at the same time, okay? That is excellent. But these are too expensive to give every one of their, in their own kit. So I thought I would try this. So we're gonna see how this works. Okay, so you have to buy the plastic knives. They have to have a little bit of a serrated edge, a little bit of a tooth to it. So some brands are probably better than others. Let's try it in here. I'm gonna score this whole edge. You can see it's not quite as much of a tooth as the serrated kidney because it's made of plastic, not of metal, but really get in there.
I'm just saying when you're doing that.
Score this. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put that right on there. Give it a good push, and then the last thing you should do always is smooth. Okay, just take that extra stuff, put it back in the slip container. Smooth this. Put it back. So if slip's squishing out, that means you did it right. Okay, now we'll just test these, okay? Just give it a little tug. Give this little, I mean, I feel like that's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
It's connected, it's not coming off. Give it a little shake. I think that'll work. So